Welcome to my channel Chemistry Class. Welcome back to my YouTube channels. My dear student, today we are going to discuss the first four branches of chemistry. Number one, physical chemistry, and the second one is organic chemistry. Third one is inorganic chemistry, and fourth one is analytical chemistry. Now let's start with physical chemistry. Physical chemistry, or the chemistry of reactions and energy. My dear student, physical chemistry is a bridge between physics and chemistry. It explains how and why chemical reactions happen using the law of physics. My dear student, physical chemistry or the action part of chemistry. Physical chemistry as the action part of chemistry. This branch explain how and why chemical reactions happen. And physical chemistry, my dear student, we studies heat, energy, temperatures, pressure, and speed of reactions. For example, why does ice melt at 0 degrees centigrade? How fast does a reaction happen? How much energy released when wood bonds? These questions are answered by physical chemistry. It connects chemistry and physics together. And the second one is organic chemistry, or the chemistry of life. Organic chemistry is the famous branch of chemistry. The words organic means living thing. So, organic chemistry deals with the compounds that contain carbon, the element of life. My dear student, it deals with all compounds that have carbon in them. For example, sugar, fats, proteins, all are organic. And plastic, medicine, fuels are organic too. Organic chemistry is called the chemistry of life because all living things are made of carbon. So remember, if it is carbon, then it is organic. Simple and easy. The third one is inorganic chemistry. Unlike organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry studies compounds without carbons, mainly metals, mineral, and salts. My dear student, this branch studies non-living substances like salt, metal, mineral, acid, and bases. For examples, common salt, NaCl, sodium chloride, and waters, metal like iron, copper, golds. All these are studied in inorganic chemistry. My dear student, if organic chemistry is about carbon, then inorganic chemistry is about everything else. So easy to remember. And the fourth one is analytical chemistry, mean the chemistry of testing and checking. It's all about finding out what substances are made of and how much of each substance is present. My dear students, it helps us find out what is inside a substance and how much is there. My dear student, there are two parts or two types and analytical chemistry are two types of analysis. The first one is qualitative analysis and the second one is quantitative analysis. And qualitative analysis, we check that what is at what substances as present in this compounds. And quantitative analysis, we check that how much is at. For examples, testing water for pollutions, identifying chemicals in a crime scene, measuring sugar content in a soft range. These four branches are the base of all chemistry. My dear student, inshallah, we learn more and details in upcoming lectures. My dear student, if you have any questions or any confusion in these lectures, then you have asked in the comment sections. My dear student, if you like this lectures, then don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And also subscribe to the channels and press the bell icons. And take care and see you in the next lectures. And thank you for listening.